Hey guys, Brian's_games here. Back again with, just wanted to show you guys what I bought. I bought two new Funko Pops. What is that? I went to GameStop and they just happened to have him in. They just got him in that day. So, I got Jughead and I got Super Saiyan. Is it kale or kale? I have no idea. You guys want to let me know? Comment down below. Anyway, first we got Jughead here from Archie Comics. Front, side, top, side. All the other ones that you can get: Archie, Betty, Veronica, and Jughead. Wish they had Moose, and what's that guy? Reggie. Now, I'm not a big Funko Pop collector. I just buy the ones that I really like like Archie Comics I used to read when I was little. And what do you call that? And Jughead was my favorite character, so that's why I got him. I don't collect the whole series or the whole wave when it actually comes out. I don't do that. I'm picky. I just get the certain ones that I really want. I don't collect the whole wave or anything like that. Anyway, there he is. Get a closer look. Oh, there's a little scuff right there on his crown. It's alright. Right there too. I didn't notice that shit. Oh well. Front. Let's get a closer look at his face. Front, side, back. I like it. Looks pretty cool. Comes with a little stand right there. Because this one doesn't stand on its own. Just topples right over. Can you see it? Nah, it's not gonna stand up. Anyway, back in the box it goes. I'm gonna display the Funko Pops out of the box. Keep them in their packaging. Put that back. Let's open this girl up. Big girl. Buff. Give me a second here. We'll open this shit up. Alrighty. So this is kale from Dragon Ball Super. It's from the box. Side of the box. Top. And the back. Like I said, I don't get the whole wave. I like this one because I like Dragon Ball Z, and I like it when they turn Super Saiyan. They look cool. I got other ones over there. I got like Vegeta and all that other stuff too. But whenever I find Super Saiyans, like in Funko Pop form, whatever, I pick it up if I can find it. But I don't buy online when they jack up the price or anything like that. Anyway, Vegeta, I'm not gonna be able to get that. I don't want that. I don't know who Mai is. I don't remember. Might get her. I think that's her sister, right? Your sisters? Alright, let me know. Might get him though, Hercule, Mr. Satan in Japan, right? He looks cool. And I think there's gonna be a Super Saiyan version of him. I'm not sure if it's out yet, but I know there's gonna be one. I saw pictures. Anyway, let's open this girl up. don't want to rip the box. But if I do, it won't be the first. Come on. There you go. There she is. Look at that hair. Go palm that thing. Anyway, she is kale. It's probably kale, right? Can't be kale. Vegetable. There's the front. Look at the detail in her face first. Looks cool. Anyway, there's the front. Side to side. Back. Top. There you go. Looks cool. Can you move that? Yeah, you can. Anyway, yeah, that's it. Let me put this guy in package. Girl, back in her packaging. So I just show the camera a little bit there. Put her back. Anyway, there they are. Jughead, new pickups for my little Funko Pop collection. I have a lot of them. I don't have a lot of them. Yeah, so Jughead, kale. There they are. See you guys later.